meta ba ti anak mo.
I will give you something surprise. This is flower for you and balloon. Wow, we're gonna make one anniversary. Happy. Wow! Surprise ako sa inyo, anak. Pwede na mag-ating ang Jaya. Oh. Anak ko. Wow!
Tingin dito, baby.
With a great day! Wow! Wow! Happy anniversary, anak.
Naman ko yung Arthur, gawa ko yan, ha? Kali mo.
O, di ba? Ganda lang din.
Wow!
Video ba yan?
So,
Ano masasabi mo?
I wanna dance.
Na-surprise ka ba?
Wow! This is the first time to surprise, ha?
Ay,
First time, yeah.
Yeah.
First time ko siyang i-surprise.
kaya,
Actually, sa 7 years namin, first time ko siyang i-surprise.
Again, hug! Wow! Kiss, mama, kiss. Wow! Sabay talaga anak ko, ah. Oh, thanks for your effort.
just is a 2 hours preparation.
Wow, I deserve
2
it.
hours.
Anything. Wow. Happy anniversary for wife. A beautiful rose for a beautiful woman who is my beautiful wife and has given me a beautiful life. Honey,
Dapat
sweet,
yung gano'n,
my love,
gano'n.
so sweet. Again. Wish ko sa'yo, tatangkat ka para bagay-bagay tayo.
Ah,
O, picture na kami.
Oo.
Oh,